Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and as you see me today and not a superstar I watch. I do not come very often to your screens, but today I do want to explain that little video that I'm just taping here. As you all remember, I was at the Omega headquarters filming the Omega novelties. We filmed the Seamaster 300 watches. And we were pretty busy, and what we did, we forgot to make a Lumeshot. So several comments, of course, said, why didn't you do a Lumeshot? We forgot, I have to say, apologies again. And now I got the Seamaster 300 in that bronze gold version. Again, Omega just brought it to me, and taking advantage of quickly filming it, making that Lumeshot so you get your shot. But since it is a wonderful summer day, summerly breeze, 30 degrees, you see the pool, my pool in the back here, I said to myself, it will be a wrist shot, it will be a pool shot, and it will be a Lumeshot. So 3 shots. Not the killer shots, guys, not the killer shots. Loom, pool, and wrist shots. To give you some more impressions about the watch, and something I am looking very much forward to is I will take that bronze or gold watch that features or is equipped with a leather strap into water in the pool behind me. I said to myself, we're just assuming a day as it is today, warm day, you are enjoying life, and sometimes you need to cool down, you need to jump into the pool, and I said to myself, I'll do it. So I will bring it into water and we will see what happens with the leather strap afterwards. Is it still looking good? Is it? We will see. I have no idea. I think what I'm assuming is if it's good and quality leather, it won't harm the leather at all, because I do also have leather shoes for many years, and I've been wearing them in rain too, and they're still looking good. So I think the watch will be fine. Anyhow, we'll bring it in its element. Seamaster 300 needs to be in water. And the wrist shot, some wrist shots in nice conditions, summer and sun, and the Lumeshot. Have fun.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
So there it is again, the new Omega Seamaster 300, the 41mm case, 14.4 millimeters is the thickness, and the lug-to-lug distance is 49 millimeters. The bronze gold alloy Omega did with some gold. It's a new alloy that will not change the color of the bronze into green, but more into a brown. It will probably get more like copper when copper is changing its color. So this is the watch now on my wrist. That's the thing I will take into water in a couple of minutes. That's the original strap. It's a leather strap. And we will discover together what happens if we are taking this original Omega leather strap that is, of course, not supposed to be or is not meant to be a strap that is worn under regular conditions in water, but is on the watch. So, and I said to myself, okay, we have to try it out, and we'll do it. So this is the wrist shot. Looking nice, my wrist size 17 centimeters as always, and that's what the watch looks like when it is on my wrist. Nice, absolutely cool. I love this brown, much more under this light conditions than I did, I have to say, than I did when I discovered the watch at the Omega headquarters. So I really prefer to see the watch here. Looks really, really good, I have to say. That is not a look that you could yeah, it's not gold. You're not wearing a gold watch. So if someone doesn't know what you're wearing, that you're wearing a bronze gold alloy, it doesn't look like gold. It looks like, yeah, something gold, but it doesn't look like a gold watch. It really looks like bronze, I have to say. And yeah, a ceramic bezel inlay, brown dial. Nice. And yeah, that is the strap. With, yeah, we are going to go into the pool now. So there we go. I'm standing in my pool. Assuming, yeah, just a normal summer day as it is today, and assuming the fact that probably I was sitting beside the pool, yeah, it's hot and I just needed to cool down a little bit. And yeah, I'm wearing this Omega with this leather strap. Yeah, and I said to myself, okay, if it's on the watch, it must be waterproof, and there we go. So, yup. So the watch now filmed in conditions in water, comes out. Yeah, leather getting wet. Doesn't seem to have any problem. It's like if you're wearing some good shoes, leather shoes, and they get wet, they dry again. I don't see any problem here. So, but I want to give you some more shots from the watch in the water. Look, that's how it looks. I'll zoom in a little bit here to show you how it looks in water. Nice. The effect of, yeah, that all of a sudden effect that you can't read the time anymore when you get in a certain angle on the water. Nicely visible. Yeah, that's how it is. And again out. Oh. I think it's the element of the watch, water. It's a Seamaster 300, waterproof up to 300 meters. So that's a watch that should be in water. Honestly, yeah, I think so. She's telling me I'm fine. Alexander, thank you for cooling me down on a summer day. Yup. And that Seamaster just told me I'm fine there. Why not? Maybe the guys at Omega headquarters should have given me another strap to, yeah, make me more, yeah, ready, or to be more ready for the element water. I'm supposed to be there more often, I think. Let me change the light settings a little bit. Yeah, look, nice. That's how the watch looks like when it is filmed in water. Out again. Just set back on the middle of my wrist, you can see it. Yeah, nice summer day, water temperature of my pool 25 degrees. Yeah, perfect setting for such a watch. I think I'm the first one. Yeah, the first one to put the watch in water. Look, nice. And the leather looks excellent. So I think we will let it dry and I will film it later then. But to what I see now, I think you don't have to really care about bringing it into water. If you're not really using it on a regular basis for diving or swimming or other activities in water, I think this leather strap really is absolutely okay. It's drying, you see. And yeah, we'll completely dry it now and then have another look on it. And one last shot in water. Going there, going out. Feeling comfortable, nice. That's where the Seamaster 300 should be, water. Yeah, that's the watch. When you get out of the pool, the strap does not seem to be bothered very much. Contrary, I don't have the impression that anything really happened to it. It's just a question of maybe a couple of minutes until it will dry again and then look good. And yeah, I will film it. I will dry the watch and then, yeah, show you. But look, seems to be okay. So the question is answered. Can I take the original leather strap on the Seamaster 300 in the bronze gold case into water if I do think I need to cool down or jump into the pool? I would say yes. The question is clearly to be answered with yes. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yeah, the day's almost over, and the leather strap on the Seamaster 300, yeah, has been drying easily. No difference in quality at all. Looks as it looked before, and yeah. So from my 2 cents, yeah, you can use it to make a swim and to jump into the pool without any problems. There's one thing I recognized when it dried. It started all of a sudden, the leather strap, all of a sudden really to smell like exclusive, good, precious, or let's say high quality leather. There was no smell at all when I got the watch, and yeah, after being in the water today in the pool, now the leather smells fantastic. That typical, yeah, the typical, it's leather. It's what you expect from a high quality strap, and it is. And I think, yeah, one could, without harming it, use it to go for a swim. I wouldn't use it for on a regular base, meaning yeah, diving or swimming. I wouldn't do it. But if you're wearing that Seamaster 300 and if you're in the mood to jump into the pool, do it. Don't hesitate. I can recommend it. Preparing the Lumeshot, that little extra we did not present you in our first video when we taped it at the Omega headquarters. Yeah, we were a little bit busy and we simply forgot. So apologies the last time, and next pictures you are going to see is the Lumeshot, and you will see that there is lots of blue coming from the dial, and the minute hand is to be differentiated in green. Have fun. There we are. This is the Lumeshot of the new Omega Seamaster 300. And yep, looks really gorgeous, I have to say. And you see that there is blue coming from the index, from the numbers 12936 from the minute hand, from the bezel, but there is green, green light or green color coming from the minute hand. Oh, I did say minute hand first. No, blue is of course the hour hand and green the minute hand, as I said it before. Wrist, pool and the Lumeshot of the new Omega Seamaster 300 in its bronze gold case. I hope that you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, of course, you use the comment section and I will be happy to answer. And if you want to make comments, please do the same. Stay tuned on WatchAdvisor on YouTube as always. And yeah, of course, there's much more to come in the next days, weeks, months and years. Bye-bye for now.